Good morning, marketing research students. Today I want to give you a little overview on completing the HU IRB Exempt status form. This will be part of your assignment 4 submission. I will provide a copy of this form with the assignment 4 materials. You can also go to Huntington University Institutional Review Board and it's posted there for you as well. Make sure you put the current date. Name of researcher, that's going to be everyone in your group. So list all of your names there. List me, Dr. Brock-Zier, as the supervising professor. Title of your research, come up with a title that captures the purpose of your research. And then purpose of research, I would list kind of what we did in assignment 3, your primary purpose and maybe even your primary research question here. Subjects, who are your subjects? That's who you're going to obtain your data from. You don't have to list specific names, but describe your target sample group here. How are they selected? That is your sampling method. It could be random, it could be stratified, it could be purposeful, it could be one of the other sampling methods that we talked about in prior weeks. Methods. This is where you're going to put a copy of your survey or interview questions, the way that you're going to ask them. In part 2, where you describe the procedures used to collect the data, this is where you're going to state if you're going to use electronic survey like SurveyMonkey, or if you're going to hand out surveys, or if you're going to interview people by phone. I would also list first for all of your groups that your literature review is one of your sources of data. And then down here, you're going to check box 1 that you're using survey or interviews only on adults. And that way, we will be exempt from the formal application. Again, you'll submit one of these per group with assignment 4. I'm going to scrutinize them pretty carefully, and I may ask you to make some changes to it before I submit to IRB, just because I've gone through this before and I kind of know what their expectations are. So again, I hope this helps. If you have any questions, let me know during market research class, office hours, or you can always email me. Thanks so much.